Pour 3 spoonfuls of yogurt on slices of bread. Breakfast in just 7 minutes. Let's start by cutting 3 loaves of bread this way. If you want to keep receiving our recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video. In a frying pan, add a tablespoon of butter. Spread the butter all over the pan. Place the bread in the pan. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add 4 eggs to a bowl. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. Add 60 grams of melted butter. Mix everything together. Add a crushed clove of garlic. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix everything together very well. Add a tablespoon of oregano. Mix everything together. Add a cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Mix everything together again. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. Add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Let's mix the yogurt well. Now just pour the cream onto the bread. I'll use half and reserve the other half. This recipe will surprise you, it's easy and delicious. Cook for 8 to 9 minutes at a low temperature. Now that it's cooked, I'll turn it over so that it browns on the other side. Pour in the remaining cream. Spread the cream over the buns. Cook for another 5 minutes. Add grated mozzarella cheese to taste. Cook until the cheese has melted. Now that the cheese has melted, I'll add Calabrian pepper to taste. And our recipe is ready. Easy and delicious to prepare at home. Now I'm going to enjoy this delicious recipe. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.